Nike continues its strong push with Realtree camouflage, expanding from performance running into lifestyle classics. Arriving this February, the Air Max 95 Big Bubble Realtree Camo adds a fresh yet familiar look to the iconic silhouette. The shoe features an all-black upper that stays true to the original Air Max 95 gradient by mixing different suede textures. A smoother suede works alongside a slightly hairier finish, creating depth and contrast that defines the design. These layers blend seamlessly with black mesh, extended lace eyelets, and a clean black tone. The black theme carries down to the midsole, which houses the full-length visible air unit in its celebrated Big Bubble form. Realtree camouflage makes its statement on the inner lining, insoles, and heel stripe, applied on a durable canvas that highlights the utilitarian inspiration of the pattern. With the broader Nike Running Realtree collection scheduled for early February, this Air Max 95 Big Bubble is expected to release around the same time, with a reported retail price of $200.